How to open the Geico virtual assistant and start help. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. To get Geico virtual assistant and start help, open Geico's website. Click on the question mark icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on the question mark icon at the bottom right, here you will need to add your first name, your last name, and your email first. Then select your state. After you've selected the state, are you an existing customer? Select the one, press on start chatting, and virtual assistant will pop up there. You can choose the options there, or you can also type in at the bottom to ask question and to ask for help. And this is how to open the Geico virtual assistant and start help. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.